The magic of or, and, nor. Mastering agreement with compound antecedents. Hello language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of grammar, focusing on a topic that often confuses English learners: agreement with compound antecedents joined by or, nor. By the end of this video, you'll master this tricky part of English grammar. Let's get started. To begin, we need to clarify what an antecedent is. In grammar, an antecedent is a word, or words, that a pronoun refers to. For example, in the sentence, John lost his wallet, John is the antecedent of his. Now that we've understood this, let's delve into the main topic: compound antecedents. Compound antecedents are simply two or more antecedents that a pronoun can refer to. For example, in the sentence, John and Mary lost their wallets, John and Mary form the compound antecedent of their. Now, let's make it more complex by adding or, nor, between these antecedents. When compound antecedents are joined by or, nor, the rule for agreement changes. Instead of the pronoun agreeing with both antecedents, it agrees with the antecedent closest to the pronoun. Consider this example: neither the apples nor the orange is ripe. Here, is agrees with the singular orange, which is closest to it. In contrast, look at this sentence: neither the orange nor the apples are ripe. Here, are agrees with apples, which is plural and closest to the verb. Let's practice this rule together with more examples. Either my brother or my sisters are picking me up from the airport. Agrees with sisters. Neither my friends nor my husband wants to see that movie. Agrees with husband. Remember, it's all about the antecedent closest to the pronoun or verb. That's a wrap for today's topic: agreement with compound antecedents joined by or, nor. I hope you now have a better understanding and are ready to master your English grammar even more. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English grammar pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.